Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This is Teacher Raya from Ali Muhab's Math. Thank you for visiting. In this session, we're going to solve question 10A from the Math Predicted Paper 1 for Form 4 Necta Math 2020. If you haven't seen the playlist, please visit my channel. There's a whole playlist for Math Predicted Paper 1. So the question I'm going to do right now is question 10 part A, and it is to do with arithmetic series. I hope you stay to the end because we're going to use a bit of algebra in order to solve this question, and then we're going to find the sum of arithmetic series. So without delay, let's start the question. So for part A, we're told the first three terms of an arithmetic series are 4x minus 5, 3x and x plus 13. For I, we're asked to find the value of x, and for I, we're asked to find the sum of the first 40 terms of the sequence. So for I then, we're told A1 is 4x minus 5, so 4x minus 5, and A2 is 3x, and A3 is x plus 13. So that is your A1, this is your A2, and this is your A3, and the series continue like that. Now we know when we have arithmetic series, the common difference is the same, which is the difference between the two consecutive terms. So if we do A2 take away A1, that will give you the common difference, which is going to be equal to A3 take away A2. So let's do that here. A2 take away A1 is going to be equal to A3 take away A2. This will give you the common difference. So we're going to use our terms as given. A2 is 3x. We're going to take away A1, which is 4x minus 5. So let's put that in a bracket. That's going to be equal to A3, which is x plus 13, x plus 13. We're going to take away A2. So A2 is 3x. If you take that out of the bracket, you will get 3x minus 4x plus 5, because you have a negative here and a negative there. That's going to be equal to x take away 3x. That's going to be negative 2x plus 13. So 3x take away 4x is negative x. So let's have our plus 5 equals to negative 2x plus 13. If you rearrange this by doing addition of 2x and take away 5, you will have x equals to 8. And that is the value of x. And now for I, we're told to find the sum of the first 40 terms. We know x is equal to 8. Now there are two versions of the formula for the sum of the series. So let's just show that. We have one of the version which says Sn equals n over 2 a1 plus an. That is one of the versions, the sum of the first n terms. Now the second version is Sn equals to n over 2, and then you have 2a1 plus n minus 1 d. Now I'm going to use this version here, the first version, which means I need to find what a1 is and what is an. In this case, it's going to be a40. So I want s40, which is going to be equal to 40 over 2. And then my a1, which is over here, I'll just write it as a1 for now, plus my an is going to be a40. So let's go ahead and find A1 first. So A1 is given as 4x minus 5, We know what x is, so I'm just going to substitute the value of x in there. So that's going to be 4 and then 8 minus 5, which is going to be 4 times 8 is 32. Take away 5, that's going to be 27. Now, if I want to find A40, I need to know the common difference. So I need to find what A2 is in order to find the common difference. Now, A2 is given as 3x over here. So 3 times 8, that's going to be 24. Now then, I can say the common difference D is going to be equal to 27 take away 24, which is 3. So now I know what the A1 is, and I know the common difference. I can go ahead and find my A40, the 40th term. So that's going to be equal to A1 plus n minus 1 D. A1 we know is 27 plus n we know is 40 number of terms, so 40 take away 1 times the common difference, which is 3. Now if you work this out, you will get 144. So my A40 is 144. Now I can go ahead and find the sum of the first 40 terms. So S40 then is going to be equal to 40 over 2. First term, I'm using this version here, is 27 plus the 40th term, that's going to be 144. Now if you work this out, you will get S40 equals to 3,420. Now that part is now completed.